COVID cases are also skyrocketing at Sacramento County Jail, so much so that the Sheriff's Office has announced the early release of some inmates in an effort to try to stop the spread.
KCRA 3's Orko Manna tells us how many inmates are expected to get out.
Cassandra Bluford walks inside Sacramento County's main jail to visit her fiancé William. She fears for his safety because of the recent coronavirus outbreak here.
His health isn't all that good. I mean, he is older, with the risk of high risk people getting COVID. I don't want him to die.
There are currently 76 COVID cases at the main jail. That has tripled in just the past week. And at the Cosumnes Correctional Center south of Elk Grove, there are 48 cases. Last week, there were 0. Bluford's biggest worry, a lack of social distancing.
Everybody being so close in there, you're supposed to stay 6 feet apart. It's very concerning. I believe he should be home.
That's exactly what the Sacramento County Sheriff's Office is doing to stop the spread, announcing the early release of some county-sentenced inmates through an emergency order.
This is a very hard thing for the Sheriff's Office to do. This is about having to create quarantine areas for people that are positive.
A total of 203 inmates will be released up to 90 days early. That includes 74 from the main jail and 129 from RCCC. Major factors behind the decision are that state prisons are not taking transfers right now and the courts are backlogged.
We've got 400 people more than we would normally have. If those 400 people were in the care of the facility where they should be, we would not have to do any releases.
The Sheriff's Office says inmates that will not be released early include those with domestic violence charges, DUI offenses, violent felony charges, and also those who are sex offenders. Still, some are worried.
We understand that the public is rightfully concerned. There just is no other option at this point.
The county says limited oral therapeutics are being used in the jails to manage the outbreak, something doctors think is a good idea.
I would expect to make a difference, because in tight quarters like that, and with as readily as our variant that we currently have spreads, the Omicron variant, they need something like that.
But some families say letting their loved ones out is the best solution.
I haven't got a call saying he's going to get out, but hopefully I do.
Reporting in Sacramento, Orko Manna, KCRA 3 News.
Again, the early inmate releases began today and they will continue for the next few days.